Good morning. Today I'm going to be cooking a few vegetarian dishes. So now I'm going to show you how I make my okra. These are everyday dishes and you can cook them in about half an hour. So don't need hours to cook. Very simple dishes, but really tasty. So I have a medium-sized pan which I am heating up. I'm going to put some cooking oil in it, about 2 tablespoons full of cooking oil. Into the cooking oil, I have a teaspoonful of Zeera or cumin seeds. And I'm going to put 1 large onion, finely chopped in there. And I'm going to cook it until they are golden brown. So in my onions, which are golden brown now, I've got 1 dry red chilli, which I have crushed in there with a teaspoonful of salt, which goes in there. Gently shake it. I'm putting 1 whole green chili in there just for the flavor. And now I have 300 grams of okra, in which I've removed the head of it and the pointy tail, and I've cut it into small pieces about 1 centimeter, half an inch long. The important thing about okra is that it should not be very slimy, because it's a very slimy vegetable. So I have dried this overnight. I put this into my heater cabinet for about 18 hours overnight. If you don't have a heater cabinet at home because you live in a warm country, then leave it out in the sun for about 24 hours and it will be dry. Some people don't mind slimy okra, but the way I cook it, and quite a few people cook it, is very crispy okra. So into this goes my okra, and I'm going to let this cook on slow heat from the juices from the okra. So it's very nice and crispy, it's not slimy. In the okra, last thing I'm going to put is tamarind paste. So I'm going to put good 3 teaspoonfuls or 4 teaspoonfuls of tamarind paste. I'll put 4 maybe in this one. So about 2 tablespoonfuls. Mix it around. I'm going to cover the okra with a lid and leave it for about 20-25 minutes or to half an hour until the okra is completely soft and tender but crispy at the same time. Bhindi been cooking for about 20-25 minutes. I'm going to take the lid off and let it dry. So let's check whether it's soft. Yeah, it's cooked. It's still got a bit of crunch in it, but not chewy. It's certainly not slimy, which is the most important thing. I'm going to let this dry without the lid on for another maybe 5-10 minutes until they're nice and crispy. So there we are. It's completely dry now. Okra is looking absolutely lovely. Lovely color, lovely smell. Okra is my favorite vegetarian dish. So let's make sure it's all done. It's delicious, absolutely delicious. So I'll see you soon. Until next time. Thanks for watching.